The test events of the 27th World Summer Universiade 2013 kicked off in Kazan. During 2 days, the rounds of the traditional Tatarstan Badminton Championship final took place at one of the key venues of the Games, Tennis Academy. The competitions were held in the men's and women's singles, men's and women's doubles and mixed doubles in 4 age groups. 245 people from 23 regions of the Republic are taking part in the tournament. The athletes of the Alexeyevsky and Sabinsky municipal districts are the leaders. Badminton is rapidly developing in these districts. It is included in the curriculum and children start playing it even when they are still in preschools. So we have very promising young people. Another big plus is that badminton can be played in villages, towns, small settlements where the number of children is small. Thanks to that, we have a good increase in the number of players who will represent Tatarstan at future competitions. The press conference dedicated to the opening of the tournament was held on the 4th of June. Yuri Chapligin, president of the Badminton Federation of the Republic of Tatarstan, Mikhail Polivshikov, deputy chief secretary, judge of the highest category, and one of the candidates for the national team of Russia from the Republic of Tatarstan for the Universiade, Pavel Fomin, took part in it. Mikhail Polivshikov expressed his admiration to the fact that the Republic of Tatarstan pays great attention to badminton. It is not just the introduction of the sport to the masses, but also care about the health of the citizens. This is, in my opinion, the correct position of the government of the Badminton Federation and the Republic of Tatarstan. I first meet a large-scale introduction of badminton to the masses in my life. This is something unique. Representatives of 23 subjects of Tatarstan involved in this wonderful sport. It is the merit of the Federation and the government. The tournament featured winners and medalists of the preliminary competitions of 6 leagues, which were held in spring at badminton development centers. Vitaly Belyanin, a representative of the Alexeyevsky municipal district and one of the badminton players competing for victory in the competitions, is delighted with the tournament. The young athlete considers his favorite sport not only interesting in terms of keeping up the competitive spirit, but also good for health. I've been doing badminton for 3 years. Thanks to the sport, you develop eyesight, agility and reaction. Winner in the singles and doubles among participants born after 2000, Ekaterina Krasnova admitted in her interview with the portal Kazan 2013 that it wasn't easy to win. The rivals were very strong and talented. It is very hard to play on your own against Angelika Plotnikova. I have played against her at all Russian tournaments and at other competitions too. She is a very strong competitor. It was very difficult to play. The gap between us was literally 2 points. The same with the doubles against the Sabinsky district, in the mixed event as well. I was very nervous before the games. I was worried that I might lose, but luckily I made it. Many of the tournament participants will be representing the Republic of Tatarstan in the badminton competitions, which will be conducted as part of the 27th World Summer Universiade. Though the list of the participants hasn't been finalized yet, the names of the 3 main candidates who will be defending the honor of Tatarstan at the Summer Universiade are already known. They are Pavel Fomin, Romina Gabdulina and Victoria Vorobyova. In the run-up to the Universiade, a series of international tournaments and competitions have been held where our athletes showed strong results. They placed 3rd at the European University Championship in Sweden, whilst in an individual tournament among students in Sweden, our representatives won 2 honorable 2nd places. The candidates are waiting for the final decision. It is a great honor to represent the Republic at such a large-scale international level. We have been waiting for the Universiade for a few years now. The whole city is getting ready. Athletes are particularly preparing for this event. We are training, attending competitions. We are trying hard. We expect only positive emotions. It is worth to know that the 2013 Summer Universiade Badminton Tournament will be held in Kazan from the 7th to the 12th of July. Tickets can be purchased on the website of the official ticket operator of the games, Kassir.ru. Irina Igarenko, Kamil Ismail, special for Kazan2013.com.